Triangle, Virginia, best places to live near Quantico. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're talking about Triangle, Virginia and why it's one of the best places to live if you're PCSing to Quantico. Other options for communities to live include Stafford, Fredericksburg, Dumfries, Manassas, Alexandria, and Woodbridge. After this video, check out my other videos on best places to live near Quantico base so you can see all of the options. Let's get started. Triangle, Virginia. This city is home for many Marines who work at Quantico as well as other military personnel. Triangle is about 5 to 10 minutes drive to Quantico and have about 40 to 50 minute drive to DC. Things to do in the area include visiting Prince William Forest Park for walking and biking trails that lead to waterfalls, and dropping in your boat in the Potomac River for a day out on the water. Triangle is a small town with only around 2,000 homes. The homes you will find here have a lot of variety. You can find a 5-bedroom new construction homes for $650,000 or a 3-bedroom townhomes for $300,000. If you are first-time buyers or are looking to upgrade to a large home in this area, you can find a home that meets your needs. My favorite homes in this community are brick 2-story homes with the 2-car garages. The neighborhoods are wooded and the houses have great lot sizes. Another great find in Triangle are the cute little 3-bedroom bungalows, great for a first-time home buyer. The nice thing about some of the homes in Triangle is many of them have been upgraded with many buyers moving and making improvements to homes. There isn't a whole lot of new construction, but there are some opportunities to purchase a lot and build a home. If you are looking for shopping or dining in Triangle, you will either have to go on the base or head up to Dumfries, only about 10 minutes drive to their shopping center. Overall, Triangle is one of the top communities I recommend for those relocating to Northern Virginia, especially if you will be working in Quantico. You can view all of the homes for sale in Triangle and description below. You can search by price point, location, and see all of the most current, up-to-date homes available in this area on my website. The benefit of using our website is you can view the homes by neighborhood and area. If you are relocating to Triangle, you must first decide what city you want to live in. You have Woodbridge, Stafford, Fredericksburg, and so many more. Start looking at each community and take a decision on which city you want to live in. Once you decide on the city, you can search by individual neighborhoods and narrow down your choices. Eventually, you will have to work with a realtor to help you find the right home, tour the properties, and help you get to closing. I work with buyers who are moving to this area and getting stationed in Quantico to find their dream homes. Reach out to me to set up your own custom search where I send you a list specific to what you are looking for and help you decide the best places to live. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Victoria Bali with V-Star Real Estate. See you around Triangle.